And for the first time since last March, almost everyone in the state under some kind of high wind alert this afternoon. So we've got a lot to talk to. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Here is a look at our DBU camera. And if you see closely enough to some of the flags there in the back, you can see the wind blowing, wind gusts there being reported close to 26 miles per hour, large raindrops on our camera lens. And we'll continue to see this rain pushing towards the east right now, right through the middle of the Metroplex. As of now, we're seeing Carrollton, Irving, Arlington and pretty much the western half of Collin and Dallas County with this moderate to heavy rainfall. This line, by the way, moving to the east at about 40 miles per hour. Mesquite, you'll see some of that heavier rain moving in here around 11:48. Rowlett close to 11:35. So definitely want to make sure to take that into consideration. Get inside if you are planning on heading out. Make sure you delay it maybe an hour or two. We'll continue to see this line really extend towards Mansfield, Plano, Allen, McKinney. Some light rain already kind of moving into areas of Denton. So Denton already has seen some of that heavier rain push through. Johnson County towards the south, really along I-35W, also seeing some of that heavy rainfall. And it'll continue to progress towards the east. And that's really it. After that, you'll see some light rain. After that, the winds pick up and it starts to dry out. It's exactly what this is showing. I'm going to take you through the next couple of hours here. Around noon, this heavy rain is still in Collin, Rockwall County, Kaufman County, Ellis towards the east. Around 1, we start to see drying in the Metroplex. We'll even see some cloud cover still hanging out, maybe a few little light showers continuing, but that wind starting to pick up. I'm now taking you 2 in the afternoon, 3, 4, 5. We start to see this really clearing out, the winds picking up and the cooler air moving in. I'm showing you this because, of course, we're still talking about the very, very low threat for some strong winds and hail with the strongest of storms. Most of us will not see it. In fact, areas to the southeast is where that threat is highest, but beneficial rainfall for us from this morning to early afternoon, anywhere between 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch of rain total. Wind advisory goes into place at noon today. And it'll continue through 6 in the evening. Winds out of the southwest, 20, 30 miles per hour, but gusting up to 45 miles per hour. And it's not just for this afternoon. It's going to continue tonight into tomorrow as well. This is just a few of the projected wind gusts as we approach the overnight hours. I think this particular model is overdoing it at midnight, but we could see about 45, 46 mile per hour wind gusts throughout the overnight. So if you have any of that patio furniture that, doesn't really stay too well, you might want to bring it inside. We do have just a huge system that is impacting a big portion of the country. All of those alerts that I'm pointing to right there are winter weather alerts. The red that you see are blizzard warnings with high wind alerts across areas of the Guadalupe Mountains there in West Texas. We're going to see those wind alerts really start to ramp up this afternoon across the rest of the state. The threat for severe weather, by the way, is highest in southeast Texas, close to Houston and the Gulf states. We do not see that. After this rain moves out, again, it's going to get windy, and then those temperatures are going to drop. Tomorrow morning, 35 degrees, 50 for the afternoon on Tuesday. We do warm up this week. Rain late Thursday, early Friday, and then much colder but dry this weekend, Chris.